Does a business credit card affect your personal credit? Have you heard the big news? More businesses than ever are getting approved for business credit cards. Maybe you just got approved for a credit card, or maybe you got rejected. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you all the secrets of business credit cards, how to get a business credit card without affecting your personal credit, and some super secret ways to get approved for more money. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple step-by-step process on how to get business credit cards. I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to make sure that you get business credit cards that do not report on your personal credit report. And I'm going to share with you a big trick on how to get business credit cards fast. Business credit has been life-changing for me. It allows me to separate my personal expenses from my business expenses. I'm literally able to create a business credit profile, and all of the business debt that I have reports to my business credit report, not my personal credit report. This protects me. It allows me to have my personal expenses, my personal debts, and my personal credit not be affected by my business. Like most big companies like Tesla and GE and Walmart, they are not putting the owner of their company's credit in risk every time they need to buy inventory for their businesses, and neither should you. Business credit is designed for businesses. Your personal credit and your personal savings were never designed to fund your business. There's an entire system with business credit and business funding that allows you to borrow money in your business's name and not use your own personal credit every single time. Business credit also allows you to do tax deductions. Literally, once you start getting business credit and business liabilities, they are expenses in your business and they're actually tax deductions for your business. And it helps to keep your bookkeeping and your accounting for your business very simplified. If you start using your personal savings and your personal credit cards, that really messes up the bookkeeping and the accounting for your business. But keeping those expenses and those liabilities separate allows you to take advantage of the tax system and write off expenses for your business and get those tax deductions that you deserve. Additionally, getting business credit will allow you to borrow more money. Literally, when you have business credit and business credit cards and business funding, they actually lend more money to businesses than they do to you personally. They know that the money that you get for your business will be used to hire people or buy inventory or pay for ads and marketing, and this fuels the economy. Borrowing money just for your own expenses or your own household does not grow the economy the same way that business funding does, so lenders and banks are always willing to lend to businesses to help businesses grow, and this is all a part of the commercial lending system that we have here in America that you definitely should be taking advantage of. And last but not least, this will protect you. Literally, when you have a business and you've created a business entity like an LLC or a corporation, you did that so your business was separate from you. You should also keep the expenses and the liabilities separate from you as well. This way you have the protection and your assets personally and your personal money is protected. And even if you had to file bankruptcy or something goes wrong with the business, it doesn't negatively impact your personal assets. Business credit versus personal credit. You have to understand that there are 2 systems of credit reporting. Let's first talk about personal credit. You may be aware of TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and understand that personal credit scores are based on how you pay your personal debts. How many trade lines do you have, or how many open accounts do you have that are reporting to those 3 credit bureaus? They will give you a score based on how well you pay your trade lines, what type of trade lines you have, how long you have had those accounts, and even your public records, your inquiries, and your judgments. These are the things that personal credit reporting is looking for in order to give you a FICO score. But when it comes to business credit, it's an entirely different system. You literally have Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the #1 business credit reporting agency. It has been around the longest, and you can actually build a business credit profile for free. You literally can just go to Dun & Bradstreet, dnb.com, get your DUNS number, and start getting trade lines reporting to your business credit report in a matter of days. You literally can start getting a business credit score, which is called a paydex score, and have a business credit profile that can borrow money in your business's name without using your own personal credit. This will open up the door for funding options and banks lending to your business and not having to put your own social security number on the line in order to get business funds. Business credit also looks at different criteria in order to give you a score. On your personal credit score, if you have a credit card that has a $1,000 limit and you use $800 of it, for example, your personal credit score is going to go down. But on the business credit side, if you have a credit card, one, the limit is probably going to be much higher than $1,000, but two, if you actually start using that credit card, it doesn't negatively impact your paydex score. They are looking to see that you can pay those credit card bills and that you pay them on time. This is how you can easily get a good business credit score, even if you have a bad personal credit score. Step one to getting business credit cards is easy. Just go to a bank. You literally can open up a business checking account and walk away with a business credit card on the spot. Now, of course, you can go to big banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America and open up a business checking account. And if you have good credit, in many cases, they will give you a business credit card right on the spot. Now, in many cases with those larger banks, those credit cards will report on your personal credit report because they will make you personally guarantee it. And in many cases, it is not truly a business credit card, even though they gave you a higher limit and it's in your business's name. But if you go to a medium-sized bank like a PNC, Truist Bank, Regions Bank, or other mid-sized banks, in many cases, they do not report on your personal credit report. You can open up that business checking account, walk away with a business credit card, and it not report on your personal credit report, even if they make you personally guarantee it and give them your personal social security number in order to guarantee that you will pay that credit card in the case of a default. If you have to build business credit the slower way, you can do that absolutely free or just spending a small amount of money buying things from vendor credit. Let me quickly explain. Like I said, Dun & Bradstreet is the #1 business credit reporting agency, and you can get your DUNS number absolutely free. I have an entire video that I made right here on how to get your DUNS number and how to build business credit using your DUNS number. Please watch that whole video. I'm not going to go into it on this video here, but I will quickly explain to you that once you get that DUNS number, you can easily get vendor credit from places like Uline, Granger, and Quill, and they will report to Dun & Bradstreet, and you will end up with trade lines right on your business credit report, and you don't have to spend very much money to do this. Then you can easily get store credit cards in your business's name once you have 3 or 4 business trade lines reporting to your business credit report. Once you have those store credit cards, that will open up the door to cash credit cards like Chase, Bank of America, American Express, and other business credit cards. You can do this really easily, and as I mentioned before, they do not report on your personal credit report. If you go through the process of getting a DUNS number, then getting vendor accounts, then store credit cards in your business's name, then cash credit cards in your business's name. Doing this process will allow you to easily borrow money in your business's name without it ever reporting on your personal credit report. If you need help building your business credit report, go to Justin Merch Consulting. You can get a free consultation with my friends at Justin Merch Consulting today. They are the experts on not only personal credit, but they are helping people build business credit and get business funding really simply. You can walk away with tens of thousands of dollars in business funding just by talking to my friends at Justin Merch Consulting. Use the link below so that you get your free consultation and they know that you are a friend of Noel and I am a friend of Justin Merch, so they will treat you with the utmost respect and get you the most money possible and help you build your business credit as soon as possible for your personal situation. Justin Merch Consulting is an amazing resource that I want to share with you, and you can end up with business credit cards and business funding in weeks, not years. Call Justin Merch Consulting today. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noel. To your success.